Hi friends, welcome back to Capsule, Concepts and Insights, and YouTube channel for pharma students. Friends, through my channel, I am going to provide important information about webinars, workshops, quiz competitions, and seminars, etc. conducted by various pharma colleges in our India and even outside also if the information is available. That is all the pharma information at one place for those who are currently studying the pharmacy. And even I also provide information about jobs and government job notifications, etc. And friends, this channel is useful for all the B.Pharm, M.Pharm, PharmD and PhD students. Friends, don't wait and let us get into today's pharma news. Friends, coming to the first news, Anand Satha College of Pharmacy is organizing a live international webinar on 18th July 2020. And the first topic is Computational Chemistry from 10 am to 11 am by speaker Dr. Amol Patel, Postdoctoral Research Associate with Jiamen University, PR, China. And the second speaker, Dr. Praveen Kumar Ingle, and this topic is Insights into Depression and Management of Stress from time 11 am to 12 noon. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. If you want to register for this webinar, the registration link is in the description. Go to the description of our video, that is this video's description, and find the link and register yourself by filling your details. Friends, coming to the next news, BR-NCOP webinar series, that is BR Nahata College of Pharmacy, is organizing a webinar under IQAC cell, Mandsaur University on topic How to Make IPR Filing a Pocket-Friendly Exercise by speaker Dr. Chandan Chandana, Scientist IPR Cell, Naipur, Mohali, Punjab. And the date of this webinar is on 18th July 2020 and the timings are 10:30 am to 11:30 am. You can join us, that is, you can join this via Google Meet. Link for the same will be shared on your WhatsApp group on day of the webinar. And e-certificate will be issued to all the eligible participants. And friends, one more thing, the registration is free and I have already provided the registration link in the description of the video. Go to the description of the video and register yourself. And if you have any queries, they have mentioned on contact detail. You can contact them if you encounter any problems during registration. Friends, coming to the next news, a live webinar on blood clots and COVID-19, and this webinar is going to be held on 20th July 2020 and the timings are 10 am in the morning. And this webinar is organized by Department of Pharmacology, JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty. Friends, if you want to register, the registration link is in the description of the video. Go to the description of this video and register yourself. You can also scan this barcode for registration. Friends, and the speaker is Dr. Sarvananam Subramaniam, Scientist, One Varsity Blood Research Institute, USA. And friends, these are the details about this webinar. If you're interested in this webinar, go to the description of the video, register yourself and participate in this webinar. And friends, coming to the next news, this is also a webinar from GSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty, and the webinar topic is Regulatory Affairs as a Career Path, and this is going to be held on 21st July, that is on Tuesday 2020 at 5 pm in the evening. And the speaker Srinivas Guram, Vice President and Head of Regulatory Affairs and Quality Assurance, Zydus Pharmaceuticals USA, North America. Friends, if you want to register for this webinar, the registration link is in the description of the video. Go to the description of the video and register yourself. And this is organized by Institutions Innovations Council, JSS, Academy of Higher Education and Research, Mysuru. Friends, these are the details about this webinar. Friends, coming to the next news, this webinar is by Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy and the topic of this webinar is Vocal for Local, Transforming Challenges into Opportunities. This is going to be held on tomorrow, that is 18th July from 1 pm to 2 pm. Friends, if you want to participate, the registration link is in the description of the video. Go to the description of the video and register yourself. And e-certificate will be provided to all the participants. And by the speaker of this webinar is Dr. Rahul Taneja, Scientist, DST, Haryana. Friends, this is the news available for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe our channel and you make sure that you click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So don't wait and please share this news with your friends because they also get benefited by participating in the webinars and increasing their knowledge levels.